Blessings. Hickey on neck, landsman in court, 2 soldiers shot, alleged gunman killed in St. Catherine shootout. Also coming up, teen fights off cop at court. So that and more. And remember that if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all. So that way, you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more Beatitude. Stay safe. Starting off with Kingston, well-known producer, businessman, and counselor Patrick Roberts, who has been slapped with fraud charges, was today ordered to reappear in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on September 28. Roberts and his co-accused, 28-year-old laborer Ramon Edwards, both had their bail extended when they appeared in the court this morning. Roberts, the local government representative in the Mullins Gardens Division and the chief executive officer at Shocking Vibes Production, was charged in May with forgery, uttering forged documents, and conspiracy to defraud after he was questioned by police investigators. While Edwards is facing conspiracy to defraud charge, both were released on station bail. Robert was released on $300,000 station bail, while his co-accused Edwards was released on $100,000. Parish Court Judge Lorian Cole Montague attached conditions to their station bail following a request from the prosecution. Roberts and Edwards were ordered to surrender their travel documents and to not have any contact with the Crown's witnesses. Edwards was also ordered to report on Wednesdays to the Duhaney Park Police Station. Allegations brought against the two are that the complainant's father's signature was forged on a will on April 19 of 2019. It is further alleged that the forgery was witnessed by the two accused. Robert is being represented by attorney at law Peter Champagne QC, while Edwards is represented by Patrick Peterkin. So leave a comment and make your opinion count down in the comment section. Still in Kingston, Senior Parish Judge Lorian Cole Montague yesterday pledged to make an example out of a foul-mouthed teenager who, among other things, wrestled with the policewoman in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. The teen, Ernest Trail, was at the courthouse to answer to charges of disorderly conduct and resisting arrest, and with his bad behavior saw him being slapped with additional charges of resisting arrest, escaping custody, malicious destruction of property, assault occasioning actual bodily harm, use of abusive and calumnious language, and disorderly conduct. 19-year-old Trail was standing on the outside of one of the courtrooms when he asked the policewoman whether his name was on the court list for mention. Displeased with the response, Trail allegedly responded, "You're ugly like your big PUSSY mama girl." The policewoman told him that he would be arrested for abusive and calumnious language. Trail was captured on video flashing off the cop's hands as she escorted him to the holding cell. A tussle ensued and Trail grabbed at the cop's uniform, causing some buttons on her blouse to break. Another female cop intervened but was left barefooted as her shoes were damaged by the teenager. So the judge, Cole Montague, having seen the video, was not amused. So she says the mouth of the teen needed some bleach as she watched the boisterous teenager in a rage on display. She told him openly that she's going to make an example out of him because she needs to send a message to all the others who think it is fun to take the courtroom for a circus. She also makes it clear that she do know that there are some police officers that are extra and sometimes they abuse people. However, she is not endorsing such behavior. So she asked the teen, did the police tell you about your mother? Did she tell you that you're ugly or anything of the sort? And the youngster said no. But he also said that he is told about his mother regularly. So Cole Montague made her position clear. She said, too much things that circulate with people come courthouse and behave like it's market. And this is not Coronation Market, this is a court of law, and people are to behave themselves accordingly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make an example out of you. And not only that, she told him to apologize to the female officers and also to her, the judge. So Trail looked at the cop and said, "I am sorry." Cole Montague ordered Trail to compensate the police officer of $60,000. And the teen's mother was in attendance and she was shocked. She looked on in disappointment as he stood in the prisoner's dock. She, however, paid $35,000 on his behalf. Before her son was taken from the courtroom, the judge allowed her to say goodbye. She whispered a prayer and gave him a kiss before he was placed in handcuffs and taken away. She also pleaded with the judge to release him from custody before his 20th birthday, which is July 7. Cole Montague obliged and ordered Trail to return to court on July 5 for sentencing. He is also expected to pay the remaining $25,000 in compensation. Leave a comment and make your opinion count down in the comment section. From Kingston over to St. Catherine, 2 soldiers are now being treated at hospital after being shot by a gunman in Olmsted, St. Catherine this morning. The 2 were among members of a joint police military team conducting operations in the community. The shooting reportedly happened about 5:30 a.m. It has been alleged that while in the area, the team was attacked by the gunman and a firefight ensued. At the end of the shooting, it was discovered that the 2 soldiers as well as the gunman were shot. All 3 were taken to hospital where the gunman was pronounced upon arrival. One of the soldiers is believed to be in a serious condition. The crime scene is now being processed and I'll keep you abreast with the information as it comes forward. So leave a comment and make your opinion count down in the comment section. Leaving St. Catherine, we head on back over to Kingston and St. Andrew. A man who is on bail for one incident was remanded in custody when he appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court yesterday for hitting his baby mother. The court heard that in his latest matter before the courts, Jevon Lee and the complainant got into a heated argument which resulted in him striking her all over her body, causing her to receive injuries to the right side of her face and her back. The court also heard that Lee was in custody because he has another matter before the Home Circuit Court and had breached a bail condition when he got into an altercation with his baby mother. He is expected to return to court next March for that matter. When Chief Parish Judge Chester Crooks asked Lee to explain his actions, he pleaded guilty with explanation. He told the court that his baby mother told him that their 8-month-old daughter had a cold. So according to him, he told his baby mother that he is going to buy a DPH and pick up the child the following Thursday and take the baby to Children's, and that is Bustamante Hospital for Children. But he said when he got there, when he arrived at the house, while she was talking to him, she saw some marks on his neck and it caused a big argument. So his baby mother got angry to a point where she ran to the kitchen for a knife and she rushed him with the weapon. So that is when they both started to fight and him punch her up and step on her. Having heard his explanation, Crooks said he said guilty with explanation, but his explanation, and I am not saying it is true or lie, but his explanation is self-defense. So the judge, he's saying self-defense is a not guilty plea. Lee also told the court that he was willing to attend mediation to resolve the situation with his child's mother, but the judge revealed that under the circumstances surrounding issues of breaching his bail condition, mediation would not be possible. He remanded Lee until July 1. A fingerprint order was also made. What do you have to say about this, viewers? Leave a comment and make your opinion count down in the comment section. Also remember that if you're new to the channel, most importantly, if it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like always for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.